Day. Now let us read this poem together first. Let's begin. Wash Day. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day the whole year through, and she uses so much bluing that it stains the water blue. I have seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high, but I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry. And this poem is written by Elizabeth F. Upson. Now let's read this poem line by line. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day the whole year through. So every day in the whole year, there is washing happening in the ocean. And here the ocean is given a name called Mrs. Ocean. So here the ocean is spoken about like a human being, just like mommy washes clothes at home. And she uses so much bluing. What is bluing? A blue substance that is used in washing to make yellowing fabrics look whiter. Even in your house, children, mummy must be adding a blue color liquid when she is washing clothes. Some names of that blue liquid are Ala, Rin. These liquids are blue in color. But why are they used? If there is a stain on your white clothes, this blue color liquid washes it well, removes the stains, and makes your white clothes look whiter. So, this ocean is using so much of this blue liquid that it stains the water blue. The color of the water is becoming blue with this blue liquid that is added. I have seen the soap suds floating. What are soap suds? Foam or lather formed in soapy water. When you add soap to water and mix it well, have you all seen? The water becomes all cloudy with lot of bubbles. You cannot see the water clear. So these are called soap suds. When are these soap suds floating? When the waves were rough and high. So when the waves are coming in and hitting the water and mixing all the water together, the soap gets mixed with the water and the soap suds that form float in the ocean. But I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry. So the ocean washes so many clothes, but till date, the poetess doesn't know where all those clothes are dried. Now let's do the question and answers from this poem. First question, what is the ocean called in this poem? Answer, the ocean is called Mrs. Ocean in this poem. Question 2. What does Mrs. Ocean do every day? Answer. Mrs. Ocean washes clothes every day. Question 3. Why does the sea water turn blue? Answer. The sea water turns blue due to the blue substance used by Mrs. Ocean while washing clothes. Question 4. What do the waves breaking on the shore look like? Answer. The waves breaking on the shore look like the lather of foam produced by soap during washing of clothes. Second question. The poet uses her imagination to talk about Mrs. Ocean. So here in this poem, ocean is not a living thing, but the poet has imagined the ocean as a living being, and that's why has named the ocean Mrs. Ocean. And she's spoken like the ocean is doing all the work of washing clothes. In the same way, children, you have to use your imagination, your thinking, and talk about the following. You can talk about Mr. Moon. So now Moon has to become a man and talk about the work that the moon is doing. Mr. Sun and Miss Earth. So use your own imagination and create these characters and speak a few lines on them. That was all in this poem, children. Thank you and have a nice day.